Hey again, it's April the 6th, and pardon the earphones, I'm having some issues with my cell phone. I got that voltage meter for the battery installed, and I thought I'd give you a look-see at it. So let's go take a look. Alrighty, here we are. One thing that was pretty cool was I was able to bring the wires down through the engine area, and I was actually able to crawl under here and not stand up, but had plenty of room where I could get in and run the wiring up inside, and then over here to the batteries. And it's real simple. Went out and bought these attachments, and it's just a simple little one wire deal here, and it's got plenty of inputs you can put on. These are pretty strange looking battery connectors, gold looking, and really nice. Not bad at all. They run like 11 or 12 bucks down at AutoZone. So I got that part all done, and run into here. And then, oh, by the way, here's my new foam stuffing my empty door latch area. Okay, so right now I've got the battery or I've got the switch here turned off, so it's not showing anything on the display. So it doesn't matter whether I've got the battery disconnected in the rig or not, because all I got to do, this is hot wired, so just turn that on. Now when I first turned it on today, it was 11.7, and it said it was full up on that monitoring system that they install that comes with the rig. You can't trust them. All they say is 25, 50, 75%, you know, full. So that's why I wanted this. And so I threw the generator on for a little while, and it took it up quite a ways. And I made the mistake of leaving this on when I left the rig earlier today, so it drained it some. But anyway, that's it. Just had to cut that in, run the wiring and all of that. I'd forgotten about doing a switch, because otherwise this thing would be on all the time. And I didn't have a switch available, so I took that one from the bathroom and told Kim that I can either order another one like this, or if she'd like, she can go ahead and get her any decorative type that she'd like. You know, it'll work just fine, so we'll leave that up to her. But that's all there is to this, and I can turn it on at my leisure and check the battery out and at least know what kind of shape it actually is in. Because this little monitoring thing back here is just, it's pretty worthless, to be honest. You know, it shows you right here in the battery, you know, kind of deal here. And well, I ain't got it, I don't have it turned on, that's right. So, but yeah, I don't care for it. So I wanted something, and they had some more expensive ones, but I really didn't care for that. I don't need that much. So, but anyway, that's it. And still waiting on my door thing, supposed to be here Monday. And we did have to replace this. It was busted up, and makes a big difference. So anyway, that's it, and we will catch you on the next one. Bye.